Now that the interior is completely stripped, it gives me great access to look at the electrical work, as well as check for any rust that might have been behind a panel or under the carpet. On the driver's side, we got the original insulation which is coming off, and then under where the footwell was, it's not rust, it's actually just leftover foam that's been ripped off and stuck on there, so I'm going to have to clean that up. On the passenger side, we got more of the original insulation which is intact, and then more insulation which is stuck to the floor here, and then a little bit of rust, surface rust here, which will come off quite easily, and also a bit of a bulge from being hit underneath. Otherwise, pretty good. The center console has quite a few modifications, not good ones, just bad ones. A lot of old alarm systems, speaker wires, and multiple splicing into places that shouldn't be spliced. However, on the positive side, the levers work, so that's one less job I have to do. Unfortunately, the back vinyl here has a rip in it, so I'm going to need to replace that whole back panel with something different, or I do have something I can replace it with which will look original. Overall, I'm quite happy with what I found. There's no rust, which is the main thing, and the interior looks a bit rough, but that's normal with nothing in it. So a bit of new insulation, a bit of paint, and it will look as good as new inside. But next time, I'm going to work on the electrical side and fix all these little bugs and problems that were introduced. Thanks for watching.